Okay, just a little video to show this flying. I thought I'd better test it out before it heads off. Right, I've not bothered with the application on the phone. It's pretty simple to operate. So just press the button, the drone takes off really nicely, and then it will fly in a sort of a quadcopter type style, like so. It's nice and responsive. There's very little latency in the controller, that's for sure. Good tight turning circle, and then if I just bring it into land, just put it over the area, just land it manually or just press the button on there and it pops down. The buttons on the front allow you to be able to fly it in a aircraft sort of fixed wing motion, which I'm not going to try inside because I know it's going to crash, but there we are. Really nifty bit of fun. It's well designed, this kit. It's a leap above the usual Chinese sort of stuff. The controller's nice and heavy. It's actually a fair bit heavier than the one I've got on my Mambo, but I don't need two like this really, so the Mambo will stay because it is a bit of fun with its grabber and camera. But this little thing is it's good, really good fun. It's brand new, just tested out to show how it flies. Thank you.